Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a business report app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating a business report app in Glide is a simple and straightforward process. Begin by navigating to the left menu and clicking on the Templates option. This action will take you to your template page, where you can view all your existing templates. If you're looking to access more options, click on the Template Store option, which will direct you to the Templates library. The template library is organized into different categories for ease of browsing, and these can be accessed from the left menu. Additionally, there's a search bar at the top of the page that allows you to look for specific templates. In this case, since we're building a business report app, we'll search for the keyword business. Once the search results appear, click on the Business Report template. This will take you to another page with two options on the right side, Create this app and Preview. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll click on the Create this app button, which will build a whole app based on the chosen template. You can then further customize the template to suit your requirements. After customizing the app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. To do so, click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. Once the app is published, a Share button will appear at the same location. Clicking on this button gives you multiple options to share your app, including through a QR code, providing a link, or inviting users via email. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to create a business report app using Glide. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a functional and user-friendly business report app. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.